The popo out here, baby. We gonna charge everybody right here.
Coming in live from Full Big Form. I got my dog.
You didn't lose. What up, fella? What's that? Let's see something. We got truckload in the thing, baby. Truckload.
Y'all the fire department. Man, they call the fire department. They got a blanket over.
Hey, yeah. I got all the way. Hey, man, I got Mr. Bam right here. You don't know what I got. Mr. Bam. Live from Full Big Form, man. Hey, our slogan is just water.
I tell my people about Full Big Form. You know what I'm saying? No pesticides. Just water, baby.
Production side,
That's how we
the
doing.
media side. Hey, I got little Jerry right here. Hey, y'all did it, baby. Y'all did it, Jerry. King of the car show, baby. They them boys had a car. Shout out to Aquaman, man. I'm telling you, that dude came all the way from Shreveport. 8 15s in the trunk. Turned that thing up. Beat the guy. Drove off the line, and his car blew up. I can't make it up. I'm telling you.